Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I will discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2006. First, let me read out the question, then we will solve it. A CPU has 5-stage pipeline, runs at 1 GHz frequency, though it is a 5-stage pipeline and it runs in 1 GHz frequency, though I have given the clock frequency. A conditional branch instruction computes the target address and evaluates the condition in the third stage. What is the meaning? During the third stage, we will find what is the target address. If it is a conditional branch instruction, then whether you have to check whether the condition is true or condition is false. If it is condition is true, you will execute some instruction. If the condition is false, you will execute some instruction. So after stage 3, you will come to know whether it is you have to go for the condition is true or condition is false. The process stops fetching new instruction until the branch outcome is known. So what is the meaning? They are using the delayed branching technique. A program executes 10 power 9 instructions. Your total number of instructions is 10 power 9 instructions, out of which 20% are conditional branch instruction. Then remaining 80% of the normal instructions. If each instruction takes 1 clock cycle to compute on average, then total execution time of the program is. They are asking us to calculate the total execution time of the program. Now if you know that if the conditional branch instructions are there, what they are telling? The result of the target address you will come to know after the stage 3. So you have 5 stages, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5 is there. Let's take that 20% of branch instructions I am executing. Let's take that I0 is a branch instruction. Then what is the next instruction I have to fetch? I will come to know after stage 3, because during the stage 3 only it is calculating the target address. So after stage 3 only I will fetch the next instruction. Are you able to understand? Still, let's take that this is also a branch instruction. Then what will happen? Again it will also fetch the next instruction from the after the stage 3. Is it clear? So let's take that this is clock pulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I0 is completing at the 5th clock cycle. Am I right or wrong? I1 is completing at 8th clock cycle. I2 is completing at 11. So can you tell me what is the clocks per instruction for this one? In the earlier video also I have discussed. Whereas clocks per instruction there we got 2. Here what we will get, we will see. Between I1 and I2, what is the difference? I1 is completing at 8th clock cycle, I2 is completing at 11. So the difference is 3. Similarly, I0 is completing at the 5th clock cycle, I1 is completing at 8th clock cycle. So again the difference is 3. Are you able to follow it or not? So I can say that clocks per instructions for a branch instruction in this pipeline is equal to 3. For normal instructions, it is equal to 1. Am I right or wrong? If you have watched my earlier video, you can easily tell this one. Is it clear? However, if you does not watch it, that's why I am discussing this one. So if you still have any doubts, I request you to go and watch my earlier video. Okay? Now we will solve it. So I think you have understood how I got the clocks per instructions is equal to 3 for the branch instructions and clocks per instructions is equal to 1 for the normal instruction. Before I erase and start the writing that one, you have a time, please press the like button. Okay. Now we will see it. 20% are the conditional branch instruction. Totally how many instructions are there? 10 power 9. So 10 power 9 into 20%. So 20 by 100. Now how many clocks it is taking? Clocks per instructions is 3. So 3 into what is the time for each clock? That is what we have to do. But what they have given in terms of frequency. What is the relation between frequency and time? Time is equal to 1 by frequency. Am I right or wrong? What is the frequency they have given? 1 gigahertz, which is nothing but 10 power 9. So time is equal to 1 by 10 power 9 seconds. Okay, so 3 into 1 by 10 power 9 seconds, because this is the time it is taking to execute one clock, plus 80% of the instructions are normal instructions. So 10 into per 9, 80 by 100. And what is the clocks per instructions for the normal instruction? One clock only it is taking. And what is the clock duration? 1 by 10 power 9. Now they have asked the total. In the earlier video, we have discussed average. If it is average, I would have divided by total number of instructions. As they asked the total, we should not divide by the total number of instructions. Are you able to understand? Is it clear? If it is average, I would have divided by 10 power 9 because the 10 power 9 instructions are there. Now how can we solve it? You have 10 power 9, 10 power 9, you cancel it. 10 power 9, 10 power 9, you cancel it. Then what you will get? 20 into 3 is 60 by 100 plus 80 by 100 you will get. So which is equal to 140 by 100, which is equal to 1.4 seconds. So what is the right answer? Option A, they have given 1 second. Option B, they have given 1.2 second. Option C is 1.4 second. Option D is 1.6 seconds. However, we got 1.4 second. So the right answer for this question is option C. See, the length of the question is very lengthy one. Am I right or wrong? But however, the solution is very simple. So that's why I request lot of people have a doubt, problem or fear with the computer organization is the length of question is very lengthy. So if for reading that question itself will take lot of time. But however, if you understand the concept properly, you can solve it in very less time. That's what the trick for a GATE exam. If the length of the question is very high, then the solution will be easy. So that's why don't feel fear for if you see the lengthy questions. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.